Footage shows the extent of damage following enemy airstrikes in Qom near Resalat Square, close to the Assembly of Experts news office. Turkish media released images showing destruction in the city of Beit Shemesh in Israel. In these images, we see Azari Square in Tehran, where significant damage was reported after coalition airstrikes targeted the city.
بشین بلند نشو شاید زخمی شده باشه بشین شاید استخوان شکستگی داشته باشه
According to a video published by Manoto News, a GBU-31 JDAM guided bomb, weighing around 2,000 pounds, about 900 kilograms, and reportedly used by the United States or Israel, struck a target in Urmia in northwestern Iran. Satellite imagery from the site of the UAE THAAD missile defense system in Al Ruwais suggests that the AN/TPY-2 radar and its command and support buildings were targeted by missile strikes. In the image, the building associated with the AN/TPY-2 radar is marked, showing where the radar was positioned near the northern western side of the structure before it was reportedly destroyed. The destruction of this radar could significantly weaken the early warning and fire control network of missile defense systems across the southern Persian Gulf region.
They are producing, by some estimates, over 100 of these missiles a month. Compare that to the 6 or 7 interceptors that can be built a month. They can build 100 of these a month, not to mention the thousands of one-way attack drones that they also have.
In Dezful, a munition depot was reportedly struck by missiles. CENTCOM released footage showing attacks on Iranian drones shortly after takeoff. Smoke has reportedly been seen rising from the U.S. consulate.
Shit. Move. Nikal. Another drone. Well, leave from there.
In Ilam, a law enforcement command facility was destroyed by a missile during today's strikes. Here we see the police station in Marivan. footage shows an Iranian missile facing interception attempts by 11 interceptor missiles over Israel.
Why? איזה תפיסה יש לי, חבל לך על הזמן. עשת את זה? בטח, מטורף. Oh my God.
Iran is reportedly using anamorphic ground paintings, a form of 3D optical illusion, to deceive enemy surveillance and targeting systems. Here we see Urmia. The Tehran Preventive Police Headquarters appears to have been completely destroyed. This image reportedly shows a U.S. submarine torpedo striking the Iranian destroyer Dina near Sri Lanka, viewed from the periscope of the American submarine. And here we see Baneh. This video is created for news reporting, documentation, and analytical purposes only. The information presented is based on public reports, open sources, and circulating footage, and some details may not be independently verified. The channel does not promote or support violence, war, or harm against any nation or people. The purpose of this content is solely to inform viewers about ongoing events and provide contextual analysis. Some images or videos shown may come from unofficial sources, social media, or edited materials, and their authenticity cannot always be fully confirmed. We support peace, stability, and accurate information in global reporting.